Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by launching a Kubernetes Playground and choosing a cluster size and version. Once the environment boots, open the web terminal and confirm kubectl is present and points to the new cluster. Next, allocate enough CPU and memory so your demos run smoothly. Small clusters often need at least 1.2 vCPU and 1.2 GB RAM. Then initialize a namespace for isolation and create a basic service account. This gets you straight into hands-on work without delay. You'll now deploy a sample application so you can test core workflows. Create a deployment manifest for an Nginx or demo container and run kubectl apply F to start pods. This shows how manifests drive desired state. Once pods are running, expose the app via a cluster IP service with port forward or a node port to verify HTTP traffic. Then scale replicas up and down to observe scheduling and resource use, and use kubectl get, describe, and logs to trace state changes and understand why Kubernetes reconciles differences. To wrap up, expose your stable service using an ingress or load balancer if the playground supports it, and export the final manifests in kubeconfig so you can reproduce the setup locally. Once validated, delete the namespace or destroy the cluster to free resources. If something goes wrong, start with kubectl describe pod and kubectl get events to find scheduling or image issues. Then check container logs for runtime errors. Make sure to confirm image pull secrets and resource limits if pods cannot start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.